Hello, my name is David. I'm managing coffee program and assisting product management. Today, I'm going to review about the Fellow Ode Grinder with two different Burrs. They're stock Burrs compared to SSP espresso Burrs. So this Fellow Ode Grinder is specifically made for filter brewing coffee. This grinder is grind coffee above 500 micrometers and above, which is not fine enough for making espresso or mocha pot. So we were curious about what happened if we install the SSP espresso Burrs and grind coffee finer. So we are going to compare SSP espresso Burrs to the Fellow Ode stock Burrs. Now I'm going to install two Burrs to the Fellow Ode Grinder. Now I install the SSP espresso Burrs to the Fellow Ode Grinder. The first thing that I notice is the grind dial is not going past 6. I feel it is pretty tight at 6, and when I go beyond 5.2, it doesn't go anymore. So now I'm going to grind the coffee at 11 with SSP Burrs and compare that ground coffee with the coffee ground at 1 with Fellow Ode stock Burrs. So I dial the espresso with SSP Burrs and Fellow Ode Grinder. And when I grind the coffee at 8, I can pull a decent shot, 19 grams in, 40 grams out in 35 seconds. But sometimes, depends on coffee beans, how dense it is. Coffee is actually jammed between the Burrs. SSP Burrs can grind coffee finer than the Fellow Ode stock Burrs. But you will experience the Burrs are jammed when you grind the coffee for the espresso. So this Fellow Ode Grinder is made for filter grinder. You are able to grind finer with SSP Burrs, but it will cause different problem that eventually damaging your motor. Today, we've shown you what you will experience when you install the SSP Burrs to the Fellow Ode Grinder. On the next blog post, we will show you what's causing the different brewing experience with coffee ground with Ode Grinder to the other grinders. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next blog post.